Hello, this is Samdani. Welcome to Techno World UK. Today I'm showing you the unboxing of Fire 7 tablet 9th generation. As it says on the box, it includes Amazon power adapter, USB charging cable, built-in rechargeable battery, personalized special offers and sponsored screensavers. Let's unbox it now. It comes with a very beautiful package. It's a nice orange color. Let me just take it off. Okay, I'm just taking it out. Here we go. That's the main tablet, 9th generation, which looks very smart. It's an Amazon brand. Okay, let's see. It comes with a yellow pack as well. Inside that, let's open it as well. It's a nice designed paper bag, paper box. And it says Amazon on the head, charging cable head, and the charging cable. Very nice one. It comes with some papers, leaflets, some Amazon terms and things to try. That's all, that's everything. Yeah, I'm gonna open the package now. Take the plastic off. Here you go, nice and shiny. Amazon product, 9th generation tablets. It's looking very smart. It's 7-inch. Okay, I turn it on now. There's some charge inside. Previously charged. Just opening up with the desktop mode. There are some setting up process and some instructions. Let's see the other facilities in one go in 9th generation tablet Fire 7.
Alexa for the weather. There are many ways to enjoy your new Fire tablet. Try asking Alexa to play music for the weather. There are many ways to enjoy your new Fire tablet. Try asking Alexa to play music, make calls, check the news or your commute and more. Just say, Alexa, to get your tablet's attention. Alexa, what's the weather?
Tomorrow, in London, you can expect lots of clouds with a high of 15 degrees and a low of 8 degrees.
Make hands-free video calls to friends and family. Alexa, call Mum.
Calling Mum.
And find what you want to watch. Alexa, show me action films.
Here's what I found.
If you have an Amazon Prime membership, you get unlimited access to thousands of movies and TV shows, over 2 million songs, and even selected books, comics and magazines that you can borrow at no additional cost. And with For You, a page of curated content personalised to your tastes, it's easy to discover new things. Create kid-friendly profiles on your tablet. Amazon Fire for Kids lets you manage available content, customise time limits, set educational goals, and review activity. Plus, parents can rest assured that kids can't make in-app purchases without their permission. Enjoy your new Fire tablet.
There are some instructions for designed for entertainment. Watch, listen, read and play. just ask Alexa. Great for the whole family. If you like my channel, my videos, please subscribe it. And if you like to buy or visit this product, you can go to the description box below and you can go to the website. You'll be able to buy it, and give me like, share and subscription obviously. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.